Is your money safe in your Landbank account? Here's how to check. First, let's check online. Go to the iAccess website. Log in with your user ID and password. Look for recent transactions to see if your account is active. Problems logging in? Call Landbank's customer care at 02-8405 7000 or 1-800-10-405-7000. Next, we have mobile banking. Open the Landbank mobile banking app and log in. Check for any financial activities or email confirmations. Prefer using an ATM? Insert your ATM card and select Balance Inquiry. Review your account balance and transaction history. Or visit your nearest Landbank branch and ask for assistance. Personal touch, right? Lastly, if enrolled in phone banking, inquire through SMS using your nominated mobile number. Remember, if your account is inactive for too long, it may go dormant. You'll need to visit your branch to reactivate it. Keep your login details safe and always check your notifications for updates. Stay on top of your account with these tips.